Come test drive the 2010 Impala. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 6-cylinder, 3.5-liter engine, and comes with a automatic transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 115,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, remote engine start, fog lights, power brakes. Inside you'll find trip computer, child safety locks, power door locks, power windows, tachometer, airbags, passenger, occupant sensing deactivation, power steering, one-touch windows, one.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.